Today is 16th day of August 2025. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This comment, I saw it on the video I did last night, and it's important I react to it or explain something about it. This is from Fidelis, and he is saying that nonsense. How can Canada find out APC and PDP? All these illiterate platform always come out and brainwash some fools like that zoo called Nigeria. Anyway, you see, the world has left some people behind, and it's unfortunate that some people are 30 years behind, some people are 20 years behind. Now, the video I did was about the next move of Canada, talking about restricting visa approval of application of PDP and APC members, especially top-ranking political, officials. Now, this man is saying that how will Canada find out? Little wonder many Nigerians are having visa denial when they apply for travels. Where you are coming from affects you, but it doesn't affect you much. Your personal details affects you. A lot of people don't know that the first thing the embassies look into is your personal profile. Who are you? They check your social media handle. Now, most embassies require your social media handle. You don't know why they do that. No, it's important people know about this. They go through your social media handles. They know everything about you. Now, if Fidelis can drop his real name, your surname and the name you use in the public, in 30 seconds, I will generate with the website everything you have been doing in your life that is available on the public space. I will generate everything, both the date you open your Facebook account, the day anything you have done, as far as it's on the public space, I will generate it for you within 30 seconds. That is the kind of world we are living. So some persons still feel that people don't know the kind of life I'm living. People don't understand what I'm doing. You can just go to embassy and lie to embassy that you are a doctor. And the embassy is seeing your real name on your passport. You are lying to them you are a doctor, that you are going on vacation. You see, that is the reason why people are having, restricted access in having their visa. The rate of visa denial is high. Because some people will just come out and say, embassy don't know me. Let me lie to them that I'm an engineer. Let me lie to them that I am this. No, embassy wants you to come with your real self. Once they find out that, no, there is a difference between your name on your passport, on your real name, social media, once they suspect so many things, you are gone. So I'm saying this because I want people to understand that if you're applying for a visa, embassy goes through all your social media accounts. Yes, they do that. That is why sometimes visa application takes time. Unless maybe you are going for studies or family reunion. Maybe your family is over there in abroad. They are the one inviting you. They have finished all the whole paperwork. That time the verification is not that much again because you are leveraging based on your people over there. You are not too much security threat because they have someone they will hold if anything happens. Like a guarantor. Someone who is inviting you is automatically a guarantor. But when you form invitations, you do this, you do that. That is why you see all the whole bullshit you are seeing. So Fidelis, provide me your full name here, your surname and your real name, and let me give you everything you have been living on earth. If you think embassy don't know what you are doing, I think you are the one that is illiterate. Not me. You are the one that is illiterate and you are very far behind, okay? You are very far behind what is happening today. I just hope you will level up and update yourself. Because you are thinking like Nigerian government. Nigerian government think that they can commit everything and the world will not see. Nobody will know what is going on. That 200 people can die in Benue today and push it over. Nobody will talk about it. The world will not know. That is the way Nigerian government thinks. Let us do the money. Let us do substandard road. Let us do electoral violence. Let us grab it. Let us fight for it. Nobody cares as far as you are in power. No. It is because the world don't have your interest. The world, they don't have your interest. Not that they don't know what is going on. Not that they don't know the electoral violence, people sponsoring terrorism. They know all these things. They are aware, but they don't have your interest. Nobody's work with interest. If they mean you, if they have something that is attractive to them, if they have something they want to use against you, or if the need arises that they want to come against you, they have the evidence, they have everything to go against you. And that is why so many people, African presidents, either they are former, lawbreakers, they are former this, former drug lord, former this. They will have something to hold your neck. so that you will always dance to their tune. How many times have they told you that they want to release Tinubu's record, Tinubu's this? All those things are threats. Probably because they want him to do something that he never wanted to do. They threaten you with your record. We're going to release your record. If they release that record, not that heaven will fall, but the kind of position it will put you, your image, the image of your nation, everything. So some people don't want it, especially when they are still vying for the second thing. Some people don't want such a thing to come to the public. So they can just dance to your tune. Everything people are doing is on the internet. That is just what I want to explain. People can, have access to all your life activities, all your life history. So let me know what you think about this. I'm Okocha, Marcel.